All right, can we hear me? Can you hear me? What's up, everyone? Uh, who we got in here? What's up, Dave? ACH, he says, yeah, we've been looking at ACH, and pretty much after it got stuck, it made the higher high and coming all the way back down to the trend. So hopefully you guys took profit on it. What's up, Adrian? Prawn 7 go 35% drop. I don't know what that means. What's up, McKay? 98. Derek's in the house. Rashad. Het Hogs and back in the building. What's up? Hoshi's here. Oh, we got Hoshi as a new member. I appreciate that. AKB says yo yo. What's up, John? I appreciate the membership. But yeah, we're not bullish yet. We say the same thing every day, but same thing with ACH here. She put in the higher high like we've seen a lot of things do, and now it's just simply time to come back down and tag the trend, it looks like. But your support right now, low to the high, is the 0.5 at pretty much 3 pennies. 2.9 here. But if we don't bounce off of that, that's another 6.5% drop. Macro 382 is coming up for a 16% drop. And like I said before, it's just going to depend on how fast this is going to come down. We're either going to tag it all the way down here, or we're going to come down here and hold and go sideways and then tag the trend. But you get the idea. A few coins ran, that was the top. That's why if I have a coin run, I'm just going to get out on a decent candle. Pepe still looking bullish. Let's see. Pepe, only if it held support. You know what doesn't look bullish at all anymore is Caspa. Yeah, well, we tagged support. We're holding the trend right now. So as long as you're above this 8-0 level, 1-0 is the price to get back over. Take back that 0. Or get rid of that 0 again. But Pepe here, it's still holding. But it's right there. It's either got to go up or it's going to break down like everything else. Still made a slightly higher low, so that's good. But yeah, as of right now, it still looks okay. Tomorrow we'll look at it and it'll be breaking down probably. We'll see what happens. We need a reset. We need these things to move back up. Mudang. What is Mudang doing? Where is our chart? Let's see. We'll just pick one. Ew, this thing's at the bottom. It made a new low. Yeah, it's holding the high to the low. If it goes any lower than this, it's trying to hold here on these candles. Oh, never mind. Daily candle closed below and it's getting stuck. So Mudang doesn't look good here at all. The fact that you made the lower low off of the wick and you have daily closes below 6.2, there's a good chance this thing's about to take a big dump. I mean, it already has. So that's why I say we need to turn things around right now. So you can clearly see if Mudang does not hold here with daily closes already below it, yeah, we're gonna fall off the table. Everything's about to drop 50% again, all the way to 3. PNG. Is there anything bullish right now? Anything at all? Yeah, we're just getting shellacked here. We're getting just hammered. You just made a lower low. There's nothing bullish on PNG. What is this, a 4-hour chart? The only positive thing is you just tagged the 786. This is what we were looking for off of the crash we had that weekend, for everything to come down and create the higher low to be bullish here. So any lower than 17 on PNG, then we're going down. So 17 is your price to hold. 19.8, got to get back over that to be bullish. And of course we came down and tagged a 3.2 here. All right, let me get back over to the chat. What do we got? Oh, what's up, Slava? Commodities are moving. Are they really? What's up, Clout9, Blue Man? Pond. What else did we gonna look at? I don't remember now. Carrot and Kava and Pond. Yeah, but this is a horrible look for PNG here. If you're holding something like Carrot or one of those other new coins that already look like crap, you may be just... Oh, man. All right, Carrot had a nice little bounce here. So let's see. Well, you're back up over the previous low, but really all we can do is this, pull it down. So until the price gets back over 23, bottom is not in. But a nice little bounce, but is this what they call a dead cat bounce? What is the price at? 22. So it needs to get back over 23. Just keep it that simple, and then 32 to be bullish again. But if it cannot get over that, then it's just going to simply come back down. It's doing a VAR right now. It's probably going to hang around here for a while until it finally does something. Kava, isn't Kava going to 0 too? Yeah, Kava's all the way down here. There's nothing bullish on it at the moment. It's just down here below the 236, possibly double bottoming here off of support. We'll see. But on the macro, you have to get back over 58.5. Yeah, you're holding the 0.5 right now. So your short-term support, you already tagged the 618. You're back above the 0.5, so 43. So the only positive, low to the high, you hit the 618, you held, and now you're double bottoming with a slightly higher low. So that is a good sign. Hopefully it gets some bullish momentum, get back over 49 and then 58 here, and then $1 to be macro bullish. And then Kava 786 retracements, not a bad move here, up to $4, almost a 5 billion market cap, and a decent 8.5, almost a 9x on this thing. Maybe it'll hit $5. More conservative price for Kava. If you want to get out early, 618 retracement possible. If someone's going to buy this coin, a 4.5x, and your moonshot is all the way up here for a 51, 52x to $25. But It's done nothing forever but go down and sideways. And like I said, there's nothing at all really bullish on this chart. Yeah, let me see. Hold on. Okay, we got the membership. We got Eldor for 2. LCX to $5. I appreciate the 2. LCX to $5. I don't know if that's up or down. If it's a downwards price, then I would say yeah. I have no idea what this thing's sitting at. Oh, 18 cents. Still trading in the channel. We went over this last night too. There's just, as long as we're bearish in the market, you're probably going to come down here, hit the bottom of the channel, and then we'll see what happens. But LCX to $5. Let's see. Depends on if it holds up and how low we go, I would have to say. If this thing can get back over the 618 soon and then break out over the 786 and hold up here and start grinding up, then yeah. I would say $2 to $5 probably, but conservative would be $1.60. Billion market cap and an 8.5, 9x. And a 13x to 250, and then maybe 5. Like I said, it's all going to depend on what's going to play out. If we ever go up, it seems like we're going to go up at some point. It's taken forever. Ondo. What's up, XCN, bro? Oh, I'm trying to go through the comments now. You guys are asking for a whole bunch. We'll just say the same thing on everything. Everything's bearish. Ondo. Did Ondo do anything? Nope. I don't know. We'll see what Ondo does, but it's still it is over the 382, so 134 is your support. So you are bullish, but you're getting stuck at the 0.5, and if we draw back what we had on the screen like this, we're trying to be bullish on Ondo, but she's telling us something else. You're getting stuck right at the bottom of the bear flag, just like you did back here, and then you died. So this thing has to hold bullish, and it needs to get back over the 0.5 at 148. 146 to 148. And then over 160 is your breakout point. And then you can start getting a little excited on Ondo. Let's see, is the music okay? Yeah, it's like that all the time. We get peak bearish, it's over, and then we just shoot up. Same thing's going to be at the top. Everyone's going to be calling for higher prices, and then we're just going to die once we get there. Arc block. What is Arc block doing? Still holding up? Yeah, she's still holding on. 786,382. But it looks like PNG and everything else, we're making lower lows, lower highs. I guess if you zoom out to the monthly on some of these coins, you can be bullish and say the strong move up, and we're just simply in these falling wedge patterns. but it's time to go up already. That's your support to watch, 90 to 94. If ArcBlock takes that out, then the top is in. Yeah, see another one with a potential 50% drop here. But as long as we hold, we'll probably just chop around down here and do nothing for another couple of months. You can see clearly there's room for another 2 candles in here. But ArcBlock to 30 bucks, 3 billion market cap. If it's going to hold up here. Let's see, I'm missing all kinds of stuff here. No alt season until the Fed's cut rates. Yeah, we need so many things to happen. That's why I keep telling you guys, it's just, we're not, unless you're special, we're not going up right now. So when you get a pump like we did on ACH or XCN, it may be best just to take your profit. We got Eldor for 2 again. Aleph IM to $5, he says. What's up, Metal? Jasmine's going crazy, up 1.2%. So he pumped and dumped ABT. What are we looking at? Aleph IM, he says, to 5. Yeah, Jasmine, as long as Jasmine's over 2 pennies, we're holding up. I did do an update for you on the channel, though. Oh, the hell, where's our Aleph IM chart? Oh, she's breaking down, it looks like. Yeah, you got daily candles below. But this is what we're seeing on everything. Everything's holding some sort of support trend. And one by one, they're getting taken down. So you could still get bought up here on the weekly over 9 and hold. But just, you do have daily candles below closed. Looks like final support is 7.5 for another 15% drop. But you can even draw this down here and say that's exactly where it's headed for, though. Just adjust the trend. So another one potentially about to hit the bottom. But can it hit $5? Maybe not. Like I said, not everything's going to run. $2 possible new high. That would be a 22x. So maybe $2. I don't know about 5. That would be a 63, 64x. So I would say no. Unless you guys know something about this coin that I don't, which I know nothing. Are you going to sell your Jasmine? What's up, Brian? What's up, Mo? I think I saw someone say SUI, whatever you want to call this coin. Taking out support here. That's all we got. So just keep it simple. As long as you're below the 1272 support. Let's see if we're finding some sort of bullish support here. Yeah, you're right above the 236, so you're sitting right on it. So any lower than 303 here, then this one's going to take a dump also. 30% drop. Yeah, you just got a daily close below, so not a good look. But SUI here, no idea where this one's going to go. SUI and Ondo are supposed to be huge players this cycle. So conservative, 17, maybe $20 for 50 billion plus market cap and about a 5-6x. $30 for almost 100 billion would be your 10x, and then to the moon would be a $60 SUI and 170x. And I mean, not 170x, and 19x. Where does XCN go from here? As long as it's holding up, it should go up, but there's no telling. Someone said Swift coin is moving. Let's see, 4% move. Still in the same spot. We're still holding bullish over 23. Low to the high, that is your 236 also. It's just waiting its turn for the breakout. Yeah, you're on the 236 low to the high here too. So if you can hold over 28.7, you're holding bullish here. Price to beat is 4. Then once you get over 4, the next stop up, of course, is 10. Three and a half X to there. Not bad. But I think people say this thing's going anywhere from 50 cents to $1, so 20x up to a 55x possible. If you're looking for just $1 billion market cap, $2 billion market cap almost, that would take you to 20 cents, of course. But yeah, you got 16 million Jasmine now. Yeah, that's crazy. It hasn't changed. Looking at Jasmine here, it's still, as long as we stay above 2, then we're good. If we drop lower, then you're just coming down to the 236 still. I mean, you could take that as a buying opportunity. It's not going to be as bullish as you want it to be, but if it comes down more, so be it, I guess. But she's still in a good spot at the moment. 25% discount, scoop you up a couple more million Jasmine. Yeah, once Jasmine gets over 5 pennies, I think that's when she's going to really start moving. But from where you are right now, your 5.5x would take you up to 12. All you need is a 0.5 touch and then a 6.8 touch for 13x. That'd be positive Rob for 2. What do we get? $2 super sticker. I appreciate that. Please chart hash AI. What is that? When gold goes ballistic, you'll invest in real estate. Hash AI, I don't know what that is. Oh man. Guess this is it. Let's see what we got. Well, it looks like everything else. Down 40% on the week. You're trying to hold bullish right now, 382. So if you can hold 5.3 and stay alive, that's where it held last time and bounced. But you are holding, or you are making higher highs and higher lows still, so that is good. Any lower than this, then you're going to break this low here, and that could tell you it's just going to come crashing down. Hold on. All right, so if hash AI is going to do something and hold here, new high on this one would take you up to 0.003 and give you a 5.5x. I have no idea what this is. If you're looking for a penny, that would be a 22x. But ultimately, this one looks like it's a newer coin, newer chart. We have seen these newer coins break down big time, so just keep an eye on it. Make sure they're not releasing tokens, and make sure they're active. And let's see. Yeah, you had a daily close below, so that's not a good look. That's what we're seeing a lot of. Just bearishness all over the place. And daily candles getting stuck, so possible 24% drop is in play at the moment. I gotta change this music. All right, but yeah, I appreciate the $2. Oh, it's AI mining. Okay. I think I saw QNT in the chat. QNT, let's see. Where's our QNT chart? Come on. Yeah, QNT, this is what we looked at last time, I think. Is this the right chart? Yeah, I think it is. But if you just zoom out to the monthly, it's still one of these coins that's just trading in the large triangle pattern here. There's no breakout yet. Just simply getting stuck just like ACH. Until you get back over $100, there's nothing bullish on a QNT here. Besides the large pattern, of course. That's not a bad look holding the 618 here. So if you can hold 84, we used to have 84 on the old chart as just a line. It was based on something, not this, but if you can hold 84, that could be your nice bounce point. Simply have to get back over 100. And then just zooming out on QNT. Let's see. Good target would be $1,000 here and a 12x, and then probably $2,000 is going to get tagged for up around a 26 to 30 billion market cap and a 20x. And if you want to be bullish on it, like some people are, 5,000 plus, we do have 4.5 for a 50x. Same thing with this coin here. Qtum, Quantum, whatever. So these big patterns could just simply tell us that we got a couple months to go before we get to the squeeze point and out of here. How long have we been on here already? The dominance. What did the dominance do? She did spike up. That's what we said many moons ago, whatever you call it. And once this dominance has a nice spike to the upside, that's what we want to see, because that's the final effort, and then it's just going to crash down. So yeah, that is a positive. And the ETH Bitcoin pair dominance is still holding up. So until this moves up, there's a lot of things that got to happen. Is there anything moving or doing anything besides dying? Let's see. Someone said VEE, I think. Oh yeah, blocked V. Oh yeah, this is this chart. So just keep it simple as you can, I guess. As long as you're over the previous high, we'll draw it here. 236 possible. Bullish over 38.5. But it did just make a higher high. So next resistance is 10, 175% move if it could stay over 38.5 here. Got a little bit of green going on. What's happening? Are we turning bullish now? Yeah, Velo's right there too, Velodrome. On the bottom, holding support. We need to move. Z-Back, Flare. Yeah, this is another one. It's just down here going sideways. This is bullish. This is what we watched on XCN. Same thing it did back here. This consolidation, flat consolidation is good. So you're holding that final support. So any lower than 8.1, then this one's going to fall off the table. Yeah, if you lose this support, there's no guarantee one wick is going to hold here. You're probably just going to come crashing down, and you would drop 34%. So the bottom has to be in for Z-Back, not financial advice. It doesn't have to be. XYO potentially still holding up in our bull flag. Tried to break out but couldn't do it. Has to get over the 382 at 2.0 to be bullish. Breakout confirmed over 2.7. Flare. Yeah, Flare's the same way. Everything's just in these downwards channels that were once bull flags, but now they're getting too long. But Flare on the macro does not look bad at all here. You're on your way to create a triple bottom here, but you're inside the large triangle. Same thing with everything. So if you keep it that simple until this thing breaks back above 2 and then the 0.5 here to possibly break out of this thing. But Flare to a new high would give you a 17x, 18, 19 billion market cap to 30, 33 cents. And if you think 50 cents is possible, that's your 26x. Well, let me move it now. All right, that's your 23x. And this is your 15x. But possibly when you break out of this thing finally, a good decent move up to get stuck for a 3.5x up to 8. Probably hit 10 cents and then sell off. Yeah, we just looked at Flare. I mean, everything's doing the same exact thing. Honestly, don't even know why we're here. Alt season is starting soon. I hope so. What's up, Aaron? Spell, please. The Swift coin's not moving. On the small time frame, probably, but it's still in the same spot. If we can ever find our spell chart. Yeah, all these coins are doing the same thing. ACH looks exactly like this. It topped and now it's just dying. But you're holding low to the high 236 here. Oh no, that's the macro 236. Never mind. You're down below the 382, so you're no longer bullish. So 10 is your price to hold on spell, or this thing's simply just going to do what it did last time. Unless alt season's going to kick in, soon. Your next support down is another 14% drop, and then 618, 30% drop. Unless you can get back, hold 1 and get back over 109 here, this 382 to get back to being bullish. But same thing here with spell. All these coins we're looking at, they made a higher high, and now it's time to die. They're just completing macro market structure and ultimately doing nothing, going sideways. But spell to a penny, I like spell at a penny. 2 billion market cap for a 13x. And then maybe this thing can get up here and make a higher high and do a 50x to 5 cents, but that's a stretch maybe. We only got 50 people here. Swift is going up. SHIB. Yeah, there's nothing doing anything, I don't think. Yep, SHIB held the bottom, so the bottom is still technically in. You pretty much hit the trend, and you're holding. And you need to get back over the 382 at 16.9, 17 here. At some point, SHIB's going to move, but it's just not that point yet. It's still getting you time to buy in. Still waiting for me to buy in on some of these coins, I guess, but maybe from the bottom, this thing's going to come up here and finally tag or get above 786 and make the higher high. So we'll probably flip bullish at some point, and we'll have SHIB here, large green candle spawning in, hitting the 786. Everyone's screaming to the moon, and it's going to get stuck just like everything else does. Unless alt season's really here, which we'll know by all the indicators we look at. Other than that, we'll see if we get a move out of SHIB. Let's see what this thing's doing. Normally alt season hits when Bitcoin reaches the highest point, 120K. Yeah, I don't think anyone would like another major dip. That would be brutal. GFI to, what did you say, 40 bucks? $40. You mean 40 cents? Wait, I'm looking at the wrong chart. All right, $40. Yeah, it's possible. I think if you're looking at a good GFI target to get out, 15 bucks would be a real good target. But we do have the $50 higher high here. $40 to $50 maybe. But GFI is another one down at the bottom, holding support, holding the trend. This has to be the bottom. Time to start going back up. At least let us be bullish for another month. Everyone is dreaming here. Corium's breaking down. I guess not quite yet. It's doing the same thing. We're having these bull flags just turn into channels of downward death. But you can say strong move and you're still in this consolidation flag. But it needs to get back over 236. Yeah, you're right on the board. Damn it. Anyway, 14.6 is your support to hold in this little flag pattern here. Breakout over the 2236 here at about 24. But ultimately, Corium's another one that hasn't done anything but sideways and down. But I guess another... Yeah, Corium's got decent levels here. If it can wake up and hit a 618 retracement in a bull market up to about 270, that has a 17x, so that's not bad. You can see it's a 3x just to break out of here. Let's see. To break out of the pattern, 4x up to 60 cents. Then a 47x up to $7.75, $8. But yeah, I guess maybe the people that have the money to buy in at these low prices are going to be the winners. H bar. Still trying to hold up, but still trying to die at the same time. So H bar low to the high, it's trying to hold the 236 here, so it really needs to hold 23.5. But you can clearly see everything's doing the same thing. Daily candles are closing below support and they're acting as resistance. And the fact that you wick down here, which we know what caused that. So it's still consolidating in the flag pattern here, even with the wick down. But I don't think these coins have time to break down out of these patterns and just come, to lower targets, and then we go back up again. And this is what you get usually in a bull market: the first run up, and then the first pullback for a little bit, and then the next run up, and then another pullback, and then the top is in. H bar, where's H bar going? $2. I think $2 to $3 is possible in H bar. So 7.5x, $1.80 here. $2 would be a 9x, and then if you can tag 3, maybe you get a 13x out of this thing. Conservative price would be $1. People are going to sell when they get a 5x and run for the hills. It's the same thing with XRP, XLM. See, exact same thing here happening. Trying to hold on to the flag, the wedge, whatever you see here on the macro. Looks like the breakout is over 43 on this one. But as long as you're over the 3-2 at 28.5, I guess you're still bullish in this pattern. And then, of course, in the large pattern, just like XRP here, stellar lumens up to 250, 7.5x from today. And I guess if XRP is going to hit $8 to $10, maybe this one will hit $4. What is XRP doing? Yeah, XRP's in the same spot it was last time we looked at it. It's still back testing and holding. So it doesn't look bad. It's still holding up. Bonk is in a great spot. Is Bonk holding up still? Because Bonk was reminding me of the Caspa chart. They've just been going up and sideways forever. And now Caspa's breaking down. Oh, Bonk broke our support. Oh no. Broke it and back tested it. That is not good. And made a lower low. So you hit the 786, you got to get back above 19 up to 20 here. Get back above in the channel and save yourself. But yeah, it clearly broke. So would you call that a good buying opportunity, or is this the first stages of going down? Yeah, I don't know what to say. Bonk broke down. Needs to get back over those prices there, but not a good look at all for Bonk at the moment. But the next big target up for Bonk from where it is now would be the 2 level at 301415 for a, was that 8.5x on Bonk. So maybe this is the last dip down on everything before we go up. XPR. Oh, what is this? Radex is dying. Wait, did I type the wrong thing in? XPR network. Oh, it was right there. Yeah, you're still holding up. You can see the monthly candles above the 382. But that's not a good look with that large red candle there. But ultimately, as long as you can stay over 4.0, you're still bullish here. So what is XPR network going to do? $0.15 higher high, 36x, or is this thing going to hit the new 1272 at 40? Do a 98x. If I had to choose between PEPE and Shiba, I'd pick PEPE. If we're lucky, Shiba's going to do a 10x. ACH is moving down. What's today? Today's Friday, ain't it? Ah, man. We're going to sit through another bearish weekend. How about the last 2 weekends been completely brutal? Yeah, you're not really doing anything, but coming down still. That looks like it topped big time. So as long as you're below the 382 at 34, that still puts in play another 7% drop to 2.9, and possibly, if it's going to come all the way back down to the trend, 20% drop to chop around. It depends on how fast it's going to happen. So you still could drop 38% on ACH from where you are right now. How's ACS? Eek. Man, someone flipped the wrong switch. Man, I was going to buy this one too. It looks like ACS is coming down to final support also. Another 13% drop. Yeah, at some point. You're holding 1 million XBR. Yes. What are y'all's price targets for it? ACH and Swift got pumped and dumped. Yeah. Yeah, didn't y'all say ABT got pumped and dumped too? Yeah, ABT's in the same spot, and it's holding final support, but AVAX looks like Jasmine here. Some of these other coins. All right, let me switch the music. How long have we been on here for? It's probably going to be a short hour stream. We're not even on Twitter tonight because I didn't feel like it. Carrot is pumping because it's trying to stay alive. It reminds me of VAR, when VAR did the same thing, and the VAR just could never get back up over. So, unless it blows through here, but it's probably going to get stuck. You're probably going to retrace back down, put it on a lower high, or a higher low rather, depending on where it's going to be, of course. But if that's going to be the wick there, and then it's done, how much time? There's 22 hours left, so. But you could easily get a move back down to 618, put in the higher low, and then it'll try again. Yeah, you just need a daily candle to get up over. Putting dots on the screen, geez. But yeah, other than the bounce, there's nothing bullish on this chart at all for Carrot. ADA. Yeah, ADA's another one that had the move just like XLM, H bar, and we can keep extending our flag pattern, but you can only push the narrative so far. Because it's not looking good at all. Lower lows now, lower lows and lower highs. It looks like it's just melting away. But Cardano, I don't know. Is it going to double and go to $6? I don't know, because I held this thing last time up to the $3 range, and we were promised so much more. But the overall chart is curled up here. Yeah, and you just pretty much tag the 618 off of that wick. So you need to get back over 72 to be bullish again, and to hold this channel flag, whatever you want to call it. But if this thing comes up new high 1272, that would give you a 9x on ADA here. Depends on how far you break down. Maybe this thing only comes up to $4 to $5. You get a 6x. SPA's up. Yeah, what is loan protocol? Just another coin. Is this something on Deck Screener? Yeah, loan protocol doesn't exist. SPA is up 5%. Still getting stuck on the macro trend here yet again. Double top in play. So if you can stay over 2.8, yeah, SPA ultimately came up here and just got completely stuck again. Let's see. Burrow? What is Burrow? Loan protocol definitely exists. What's the ticker? Burra. Is this something on Coinbase? Burra chain. Okay, I guess it is Burra chain. But no, never heard of it. Oh, it's a completely new. What is this? Just the right Burra, sitting at $7, about to go to 0. Okay, it is on Dex Screener. So this is a new coin that they put on Coinbase and they're rugging it. Coinbase rug is live. Checking on something. Burra. Oh, this is the hour chart. Yeah, I can't do anything with this, by the way. Never heard of it, but it looks like it's going to 0. I guess we'll do one thing here. See if we're going to find any kind of support on this thing, or is it dying? Yeah, I guess your support is 692. Any lower than that, 670, and then it's just going to make its way down. If you can get back over 707, maybe you're in good shape here. Oh, it launched yesterday. Okay. Let me pull up Dex Screener so we can find this non-existent loan protocol. Hey, what am I looking for? Hold on. All right, Dex Screener. Let me pull this up real quick. Forgot what button to push. All right, let's see loan protocol. Yeah, it still doesn't exist. Loan protocol, where are you at? There's a bacon protocol. Yeah, someone give me the ticker for this thing because I can't find it. Loan protocol is on, I don't know what that word even says, metalish. Let's see. Get it to where you can see it. Yeah, what is the metal thing you're talking about? I have no idea what these things are. Sweet flare. Yeah, I don't know what metal. I don't know what that means. Loan protocol. Loan. Ah, come on, PEPE. Maybe we'll find it. We'll see. There's one just called Loan on Pulse Chain, so it's a hidden gem. MetalPay is a payment app. Okay. All right, I believe you, but I still can't find it anywhere. Let me look on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Oh, what's up, Crypto Homes? Moonwell. Yeah, we'll look at Moonwell in just a moment. All right, this loan protocol, it's on CoinMarketCap, but there's no, it's not on any exchanges, but anything we can look at. So yeah, it exists. What are we looking at? Why does it always do that? We got Derek for $1. I appreciate that. He says XRP, and do you think bull run is over? No, the bull run's not over. It hasn't even started. Alt season hasn't even started. Well, an XRP. When we get a couple hundred people in here, that's when we know we're going to be bullish. When there's now only 50 people in here. What are we looking at here? Oh, well. Yeah, Well's doing the same thing we said ages ago. Ever since it broke our support, it's coming down to the trend, and that's still what she's doing. So, still breaking the 0.5 double support here. So the 618 should be the bottom here, unless it just completely dies down to the 7, or I guess it can't really. So another 17% drop to 2.5 on Well should be the bottom. And like I keep saying, we've said the same thing from back here and on every coin. It completed the mission, and now it's just time to go back and put in the higher low. You did say XRP, huh? Yeah, XRP. Yeah, XRP, we looked at it earlier. It's still holding up healthy even after the crash. It's simply back testing our pattern. We tried to go to the moon out of here. And I think we're still holding support. Let me see. From where we had this drawn for the breakout. Yeah, you're holding the 0.5 here because we had it drawn here to look for the breakout. Broke out over the 618. Now we're just simply holding support at 236. Back testing. So XRP is another one that needs to go up from here. DGen may be dead. I don't know. For now, at least. The fact that we're seeing Caspa die now. Bonk. Ooh, it did break down. Jeez. Man, I cannot believe DGen broke down so hard. Yeah, you got daily closes below. So as long as you're below 0.004, is a nice try. Coming all the way back down to the bottom, possibly. 40% drop. But let's see. Let me see, make sure I covered the super chats. Onto the most bullish coin right now. Maybe if it comes down that low, because you would be coming back down to this area. I mean, I don't know. This thing has died so hard. We're gonna have to see where these larger candles close, because everything has daily candles closing below. But if we get these 3-day candles to hold back up, that could be the bottom. It's going to go up eventually. So yeah, I mean, if it comes down all the way back down here to 0.02, if I have the funds, I may scoop a whole bunch up, but I don't have it yet. Because XCN's not doing anything. Yeah, is this the first time we looked at XCN tonight? XCN's right there. It's about to get squeezed either death or it's going up again. She's right there. What are these 4-hour candles? So by tomorrow, we're going to see what XCN's going to do. Spell's still kicking? Not really. Spell's another one that topped like ACH. It looks like it's just going to drop back down. the trend. This little pump is over. All right, Tether, and then this is probably going to be the last one. TRB. Do we have a chart? Come on. Okay, I know we have a chart somewhere for TRB. Maybe not. Well, we don't have a chart for Tether for some reason. I guess no one's ever asked for it. TRB is an older one. Oh, come on. Well, hell, I thought we'd find a good chart for TRB. What is TRB doing? Oh, Lord. Oh. Now it wants to pop up. There we go. Is this the right chart for TRB? I have no idea. I haven't looked at it in forever. I don't think. It looks like you're sitting on the 0.5 support. There may be an older chart. I may have to look into this one and do a chart for it because I don't know if this is correct. If it is, it hasn't done anything ever. You're sitting right on the 0.5 support, so 33 is your support, 48 your price to get back over. But it looks like the rest of the market, we're making lower lows and lower highs now, and things are starting to fall off the table. And you are starting to fall below, probably a daily close already below that, so 33% drop to 22. Yeah, you did get below it with daily. So yeah, there's nothing bullish looking on this chart right now. Came all the way up to the 1414 and got stuck. So possibly a 3 billion market cap. That may be wrong, but if it holds the 0.5, possible 34x up to 1175. I have no idea if Tether's going to do that. Yeah, Arc Block's still holding up. So is ABT. ABT is just another coin that's on the bottom. As you can clearly see here, 236. Apparently it was shilled by someone and they pumped and dumped it. But you're still holding over the 236 at 230 here and the trend. So it's not in a bad spot. It's curled up here. But ABT is going to be a good play. I think ABT has all the coins in circulation, low supply. So easily up to $20 probably for an 8x. And then Arc Block. Yeah, Arc Block's still holding up, but we can get anything to move. You're holding the 786, possible wedge pattern, 382, so 90 to 93. Any lower than that, then this thing's going way down, and that's the top for now, and we're not going up for a long time. But you can see the supposed falling wedge that we're in here, holding bullish support. So we're on the final support. Any lower than this, you're no longer macro bullish, and it's just going to break down. But we're still pretty much holding a little consolidation period. So we'll see what happens with Arc Block from this point. Up almost 2%. All right, last one's gonna be Miria. I got some other things I gotta get done tonight. Where's our Miria chart? But yeah, everyone here, answer the poll. Hit the like button. I can't wait till we're bullish again. Miria looks horrible. There's nothing at all on this chart that's bullish at all. But it looks like the rest of the market. It looks just almost like ABT here with the consolidation and then the breakdown. So everything that's making lower lows and lower highs, just that's not great market structure. So if you can get back over 18 up to 2.4 to 2.5 here, back to being short-term bullish, and the bottom would be in. But it just looks like it looked like it just tagged the bottom from back here. Almost. So it's either the bottom and you're going to go up over those prices, or this thing's going to make a lower low. $10K XLM or 1 million XRPR. I don't know. Back over to YouTube. But yeah, I can't wait till we get back to being bullish. We have to do longer streams and have something to talk about. Right now we're talking about the same thing every day, it seems. But let me go in the poll before we end this. But yeah, I did a couple of videos on the channel today. I think 4 or 5, I don't remember. Where'd the chat go? Yeah, we did Swift. Swift is not doing anything. Especially if you zoom out on the larger time frames here. Hold on. Oh, we're on the wrong list. Hold on. I'm trying to get several things done at one time. Swift coin to end the stream here. Where's our Swift coin chart? Swift coin still low to the high, is bullish, holding at 28 here. So if you can hold that even down to the 1414, which we already pretty much tagged from 2.1 up to 2.3, you're still bullish over these levels here. So if it can hold, then maybe we get another leg up. You got to get over 4, and then once you get over 4, 10 is next. 10 for the $1 billion market cap, for 4.5, for the 3.5x, and then 20 cents is after that for a 7x to almost a 2 billion market cap. But it is holding bullish at the moment on Swift coin. All right, let me get over here and end the poll. Oh, not bad. We got 62 likes. Maybe I should just keep the same poll up every day. All right, did we end it? What happened? All right, but yeah, I appreciate you guys coming in here every day, hanging out, and we're just going to keep doing it until we finally make it. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming in here, guys and gals. We will get there. We will get bullish at some point. So with all that being said, this is just entertainment. Nothing is real here. It's all Shadow Realm, nothing. And with that being said, hold on, the comments are lagging. What's going on here? Okay, there's the chat. All right, we got Derek for the $3 super sticker. I appreciate that, my man. Keeping the hope and the dream alive here. Grinding away at this every day. But yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. Check out the videos on the channel. Hit the like button on your way back to the Shadow Realm. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Not financial advice. Peace out.